Hello friends, how are you? As you can see in this mobile passcode problem, so now I have to try to unlock but it's not working. So let's go and unlock this mobile. First of all, you have to restart your PC and open Jailbreak software and connect this mobile. After that, you have to boot it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now you have to connect this mobile and power off with recovery mode. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now enter this mobile, and now guys you have to power this mobile. Now you have to press volume down, insert cable and press volume power button. And insert SIM. You can see how this mobile connected recovery mode, as you can see. So now click start here. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel. Now you have to press volume down and power to hold. Guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now it's preparing. Now do it. Jailbreaking, unlocking this mobile. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Don't forget. So guys, jailbreak is done, and now you have to do it. Don't skip my videos and watch my videos full complete. Now guys, you have to start your computer, and now you have to extract this file software. You have to download FRP file, extract this file. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to extract, and then you have to run this file, FRP file. Click OK. Do it. So guys, now you have to unlock this passcode. Let's go, dude. You can see here FRP file AIO v2.03. Now you have to click backup data. Do it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So click now. Okay. And now guys, you have to select file. So now guys, you have to open 3U tools. As you can see, this mobile connected in 3U tool, and import this backup file. As you can see, first of all you have to flash this mobile. Start here. Now guys, you have to power up this mobile, connect it, and recovery mode, disconnect cable and press volume down button, and now you have to insert cable. Do it and hold volume down button. You can see how this mobile connected in recovery mode. Now you have to start again this file for flash, import this file and select this version. It will complete in 100%. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and don't forget my congratulations. So guys, flash completed and this mobile is recovering now. Do it. Now guys, you can see her on hello screen. So let's go to set up this mobile. Click and set up it. Connect Wi-Fi. Some problem here, you can see here. Now you have to fix this activation lock. You can see her. Now how to unlock this activation. So let's go to start this activation. Now guys, you have to restart your computer and jailbreak this mobile. You don't worry, this mobile sim will work. Now open boot, setup, jailbreak and wait. Here you can see her. Select UEFI boot data. Now guys, you have to jailbreak again this mobile. Connect this mobile. And now click next. So guys, this mobile will automatically connect and it will extracting to for jailbreak. You can see here. Now press volume down and power button to hold. Escape power button and volume button. You can see here this mobile will jailbreak unlock. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel. All done. You can see here. Now you can see now you have to set up this mobile and start your PC on desktop. So now guys, you have to again set up FRP file. Open this tool. You can see how to set up this mobile. Activation locked. Now you have to command one click activate this mobile. Click it and wait its processing to complete. It will automatically set up. You can see here loading now. Do it. You can see how setup completed. Press home button to open. Do it. Click OK. device will restart. Do it. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and don't forget bell icon for the latest videos. Hey guys, you can see here this mobile setup is completed. You can see here, press home button. The setup is completed. So now go bye, be back later, see you.